Actress Natasha Thahane is a keyboard player of note. Blood and Water actress Natasha Thahane took to Twitter to show off her keyboard skills, and tweets think she's a true musical prodigy. Though Mzansi has plenty of triple threats and multi-talented celebs, it's always impressive to find out of Fave's hidden talents. This week, Natasha impressed fans with an inspiring performance on the keys. The star posted a video of her musical stylings to Twitter. Alongside idol South Africa's Simphiwe Ngema on vocals and guitar, the former The Queen star was seen as a backup with her keyboard. However, she stole the show with her skills that could show up Beethoven. Her skills had fans blown away. We know she is a thespian of note, but Natasha was born for more than just the silver screen. Even though we are new to Natasha Thahane the musician, the star has made it clear that she has a deep appreciation for lyrics and songs. At her fabulous 25th birthday celebration held earlier this year, the actress treated her friends and family to a day to remember with performances from singer-songwriter Donald and legend Ringo Madlingosi. For her after-party, the star took the vibes to Rockets in Bryanston with DJ Fully on deck. "We are living Natasha. Maybe we will see your name on our Spotify playlist soon."